stay focused. Don't listen to nobody. Don't listen to nobody, homie. What's on your mind, just do it. Because what's destined for you, you gonna get it.
Okay, sorry, but I have to say before that you look so sexy. Papacito.
Oh my god. No. Oh mon dieu. Et TikTok. You're amazing.
Shit. Nah, I gonna lie. Hi.
Oh.
Are you surprised?
Ouais, ça fait ton shit. Oh, les faussettes. Oh,
You okay? Where y'all from?
Oh,
I'm from in your heart.
In my heart?
Yes.
Oh, that's where you from?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Y'all from France?
Excuse me, can you call me after?
Can I call you?
Yes.
No!
Huh?
You okay?
I am.
What's wrong with you? Why you looking like that?
I don't know. I feel like something's wrong.
What do you mean something's wrong? Nothing's wrong. You're totally fine.
I don't know.
I like your bags though.
Thank you.
Of course. Where you from? France?
I feel like it's AI.
Nigga!
No, I'm not AI, I promise.
Prove it to me.
What?
Prove it to me. Something's wrong.
Nigga!
What?
I don't know.
Bruh.
Hi.
I saw you in TikTok. BBC. BBC. I know you. It's fucking awesome.
How you doing?
Guy. Ah! Yeah, BBC. Did it. This. Wait. Fuck me. Why I can see you? Again. Wait, bro. Woo. Why you look so good?
She want me!
I love BBC too.
You do?
Yeah. In my fan love it.
She love it too?
Yeah.
How old are y'all?
I'm just 22.
You about to make me come to Thailand for real. I need to come back.
Oh, you been in Thailand before?
Yes, I've been to Phuket, Bangkok, and another one. I'm coming to Thailand soon.
Oh my god, where are you from?
I live in the States. I live in New York.
Oh my god, why you so lovely?
I'm trying to come see
What?
you now.
Next month or New Year?
Yeah, New Year's.
Stop the cow.
You know, you only one is a Batman. I love it.
What?
Say that again.
I'm the only what?
You only one is a Batman. I like it.
Oh, I'm the only black
Not
man?
married. Yeah. Oh my god, your smile is so awesome.
Wait. Question. You ever had a threesome before?
What?
Teresa? No, never. But I wanna try. Oh, he's my friend and you. Oh, okay. Okay, let's make a deal.
Let's just say the bag is secured. Arigato. Konnichiwa.
What? Sorry, can I have your Instagram?
Yes. It's UglyTv _.
Oh, what you that? Ugly? Why are you ugly? You're not ugly. You're fucking awesome. Next year, right? Ooh, teasome.
Got him! Got him!
No, Mary, she have like this. She this leg broke already. I gonna show you.
What happened to her?
She motorbike accident. That's why.
It's a lot of lady boys in Bangkok.
Oh shit!
I'm not lady boy.
I know. I know you're not lady boy. You a girl.
Yeah.
I can tell.
Yeah, she said you look like you have magic in your eye.
Oh, you can't look me in my eyes? So listen, me, you, and you, Thailand, me. Okay?
Deal.
Deal.
Make a deal.
Okay, that's the deal.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
Estúpidos. Hola.
Hola.
Yo te he visto. Yo te he visto.
What's that?
I know you. En Instagram.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
How you doing?
I follow on Instagram.
Oh, you follow me?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
21.
21. It's nice to. Where you from? I got beautiful women follow me.
Yeah.
Them hoes love me.
I'm from Cuba.
But I never talked to a Cuban before.
Oh really?
Never.
Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish though. You can teach me.
Can you teach me English?
I would definitely teach you English. Yes. You know what you can do? DM me on Instagram. I'll teach you.
Oh really?
Yes, I will.
She definitely get crushed. Oh my god. I'm trying to cry.
Nah, you pretty.
Thank you.
You live in Texas now?
Yeah. In Dallas.
I'm about to be in Dallas. You live alone?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I'm staying with you, okay?
Okay, come.
Y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
You again. So I have a question.
Yes.
Why you lied to me?
What are you talking about?
Why you lied to me?
When did I lie?
Do you have a YouTube channel, bro?
Yeah, how the fuck you know this?
What made you say I got a YouTube channel?
Because I watched your video. Yeah, and I'm really disappointed, you know? I thought, like, you don't lie to me.
I would never lie to you, baby.
Yeah, you lie, and you talk to every girl. Like, that's crazy.
But you said you accept me for who I am.
No.
Uh-oh. CAP.
Yes, you did.
When? Not another girl.
No, you said you accept me for, like, you know, the guy I am.
No, I didn't say that. Yeah, you say that to everyone. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay?
I accept that.
Are you lying to me right now?
Yes.
I know you are.
I love you.
Hustle.
Damn, fine shit.
What's up?
Hey,
I like your tattoos.
thank you. I like your eyes.
I appreciate it. Where you from?
New Jersey, where you from?
I'm from Mississippi, but I live in New York.
Where? What part?
I'm in Manhattan. How old are you?
I'm 25.
You look like, I don't know, like I'll probably let you ruin my life, probably.
Bruh.
Like you that cute. You Dominican?
No, I'm Puerto Rican.
I don't know. It don't look like you bring peace.
What if I just want to treat you right?
Do you want to, would you treat a man right now?
Of course, why wouldn't I? I think I want right by me too as well too, right?
I mean, I'll do right by you. You pretty.
Just because I'm pretty, that you're just going to do right because I'm pretty?
I mean, I'm going to just be honest with you up front. And you're going to have to figure out the rest, you know, later. Why are you single, though?
Niggas love playing me. I guess I get clown written around my forehead, I guess.
You been having, like, sneaker links and shit like that, right? But not, like, situationship.
I mean, I could talk to, but, like, sneaking link, I just don't be fucking everybody. Like, I really gotta like you genuinely in your personality too to really get turned on, to really fuck you for real. I just don't fuck you just cause you look good. Like, that's not me.
Stop the cap.
Wow. Let's just give me a second. Let me process that.
Look, listen, just cause you cute don't mean I wanna fuck you. You feel me? Like, I really gotta get to know you. Then you feel me? Then I can get turned on. You know, shit like that. Just right now, you cute. That's not enough for me.
All right, so how can we get to know each other like quick?
Quick? Oh, cause you just want fuck, like. You just want fuck.
No.
Let's just say that.
So I get crushed. I just want to get crushed. I'm not even in my lust. I'm not even in my lust era right now. You feel me?
I like a nigga that be bold. You feel me? So.
Oh, so you mean just straight up say, yeah, I want to the shit at you right now?
Like, I mean, it's already clear. Like, you said how fast enough to get to know you before you can hurry up, get to that stage.
Bitch, DM me.
How many clones you got? I got like 5.
Hey, I like this.
Oh, I love your eyes.
Nah, I like your smile though.
Thank you.
Let me see your tattoo. What is that?
It's a blossom tree.
I like that. You
it has like Arabic right here.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Breathe air. You don't need a vape.
And then I have one right over here.
You finna get another one? Where you gonna get it at?
I think my next one I want it over here going down to my ribs.
Wait, let me see the other side. Like
what other side?
Your other side of your neck. I'm trying to see if like my initials will look good right there.
That boy is good.
Yeah, I fell for it too.
You did. Nah, it'll look good right there for sure. Where you from?
I'm from Boston.
Boston. I never been to Boston. I always wanted to though.
Really?
Yeah, I heard it's like.
You just like Mississippi?
No, I live in New York. I'm just from Mississippi.
Oh, so you're from Mississippi, but you live in New York. You're right there from Boston. Why didn't you touch down?
I heard it's not good right now when it comes to Boston. I heard it's summertime.
Nah, yeah. Summertime will be better. No bullshit.
Okay. You ain't got...
And you got the dimples? Hold on.
She want me.
Hey girl, you better hold on before you start something you can't finish now.
Who said I couldn't finish?
I don't think you can handle me though.
Why you think that?
How tall are you?
5'1".
You feel me? Like I'm 6'2". Like
You're not no 6'2". Why are you fronting?
What? I am 6'2", 100%. No cap. I ain't even gonna cap to you. I mean,
I believe you.
You can see in person and find out yourself.
That's if you really gonna stand on that. Cause for me,
I'm Mr. Known for standing on shit.
You're known for standing on business.
I'm known for standing on it.
I'm standing on business. I'm standing on business. I'm standing on business. He's standing on business. I'm standing on.
Oh my God, please don't wait until I'm dead to vocalize I'm great. I was first to break the bank from in my last name. I got rich and bought a crib to build a window pane. Big enough and bright enough to outshine all my pain. Mama said my papa said I'm on the side.